In this video, I am going to teach you how to set up Java in Visual Studio Code. So the first thing that you need to do is to download it into your device. So just simply go to the page at code.visual.studio.com, or I'm so sorry, codevisualstudio.com, and then you land onto this page and make sure that you have the blue version of it and not the purple one. So now once you are on this page, click on to this download for Windows button and you'll land onto this download page. So then you'll automatically download the file into your device. So just let it load or download for a few seconds, and after successfully downloading it, just click onto that and then you'll see this page right here. So just make sure that you accept the agreement just like so, hit next, and then just select the location where you'll be downloading your Visual Studio Code. So if you are okay with the location, you can just hit next, but if you want to browse the location of it, you can just hit this browse button. So again, just hit next, next again, and then make sure that you'll check all of these options. So there you go. Hit next again, and then hit install. So then all you need to do is to wait for the Visual Studio Code to be completely downloaded into your device. Then if you see this one, just hit finish. And after downloading Visual Studio Code into your device, now let us try to open the command prompt. So all you need to do is to type into your search bar on the bottom part of your screen CMD, and then click command prompt. And then once you are in here in Java dash dash version, enter, and then again Java dash version. So as you can see, after typing in Java dash version or Java dash dash version, this is the result of it. So it means that I don't have Java yet in my device. So now I am going to show you how you can install or download Java into your Visual Studio Code or into your device. So again, just exit out of here. So now on the same download page, all you need to do is to so now on the same download page, all you need to do is to locate this Java section on the left hand side part of your screen, just like so under the overview section. So once you have located Java, click onto the Get Started section. It should be the first option that you have there. And once you see this coding pack for Java, make sure that you click onto the download button, which is appropriate or which appropriate for your device. So if you're using Windows PC, go ahead and click onto the Windows version. And if you are downloading it for a Mac OS or into your Mac, make sure that you hit the Mac OS version. So for mine, I'm going with Windows version. So it will automatically start downloading the code for me. Then make sure that you click onto it after downloading to install it into your device. After that, just accept the terms in the license agreement, hit next. So the coding pack for Java includes the JDK or the Java Development Kit, and as well as the Studio Code. And you also have here different extensions that you can use for your Java or for your Visual Studio Code. And as you can see right here, the Visual Studio Code says right here okay, since I have or we've already installed it prior to installing the coding pack for Java. So then once you're in here, just hit install and wait for it to be downloaded again into your device. Now, after completing the setup wizard or after installing the coding pack for Java, hit finish. After that, you should have set up Java in your Visual Studio Code. So now to check that one, let us open the command prompt again, CMD on the search bar, open command prompt, and then just basically do the same. Type in Java dash dash version, hit enter, and then Java again dash version. So now as you can see, the JDK or the Java has been successfully installed into your device. So that's it. Now on the next videos, I'm going to teach you how you can create a new file and also new project. So if you want to know how you can do that, click on to the next video. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.